Conviction in chaos. You don't become wealthy by flipping green days. You build wealth by holding conviction when the world panics. Anyone can buy when it's easy. When the charts are clean, when everyone's bullish, when CNBC is shouting record highs. That's not skill, that's comfort. But when the candles turn red, when headlines scream recession, when people are dumping perfectly good assets out of fear, that's when the few separate from the crowd. Conviction is what builds empires in the market. Look back at every major cycle. The dot-com crash punished traders who thought the internet was a fad and rewarded the ones who stayed through the chaos. The 2008 crash broke portfolios, but those who kept buying quality companies during the bloodbath walked into the next decade holding generational wealth. The pandemic wiped out confidence, yet those who understood liquidity, innovation, and recovery multiplied their capital while the rest waited for permission to believe again. The secret isn't timing. It's conviction powered by preparation. Conviction without analysis is gambling. Conviction built on data, volume, trend, and logic. That's strength. That's the zero emotion way. Every crash is temporary. Every panic fades. What stays are the assets with real fundamentals, vision, and leadership behind them. If you can't handle fear, you'll never earn freedom, because fear is the tax the market charges before it pays you. When the crowd sells, conviction holds. When volatility spikes, conviction studies. When everyone else looks for an exit, conviction looks for opportunity. That's why I focus on consistency, trading the same setups, the same ETFs, the same system, because conviction isn't emotion, it's repetition built from mastery. I don't chase everything, I master what works. Every great trader or investor who made history, from Buffett to Livermore to Druckenmiller, made their fortune not by being perfect, but by being unshakable when the noise got loud. Remember, the red days test your discipline, the green days reward it. The world panics, but conviction calculates. Markets move in cycles, and each panic gives the disciplined a discount on the future. If you have a system, if you have patience, and if you have courage, chaos becomes your best friend. So when fear hits, don't run. Focus, reassess your levels, follow the volume, protect your capital, but don't abandon your conviction, because the people who survive the storms end up owning the calm. This is the Zero Emotion Trader, reminding you that patience is your weapon, conviction is your armor, and emotion is your enemy. Like, share, and follow for more. Join the Discord below and learn how to hold when everyone else folds.